Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Do you know the ice cream man, the ice cream man, the ice cream man? Do you know the ice cream man who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the ice cream man, the ice cream man, the ice cream man. He scoops up cones for everyone who lives on Drury Lane. Say, do you know the smoothie girl, the smoothie girl, the smoothie girl? Do you know the smoothie girl who lives on Drury Lane? Yes,